Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn how we can make a video by one click using NotebookLM. So let's jump into the video. Open Google and write NotebookLM and then click this link and then sign in using your Google account, and you will be able to see the interface like this. Then you can create a new notebook, or you can create any previous notebook. And in notebook you can add a source. So you can use a YouTube video, you can use a link, you can use drive or copy text, or you can use the upload file. And then you can make a video using one click, including the audio. So you don't need to do anything. So here I am going to upload a PDF and want to see whether it can make the video or not. So here I have uploaded one PDF source, which is a review articles. And on right hand side we can see the video overview. So I will click on this arrow. I will give the instruction. I can choose the language. I have chosen the English. Then you can choose the style, anyone. I choose the auto select, and here I can give the instruction like make a comprehensive video using original figures from the PDF source. So then click on the generate. So it started creating the video. So it will take some time, then the video will be ready and we will see how it looks like. So on right hand side now we can see that the video is ready, and click on three dots and we can download it, share it, or we can remake it. So I will show the video and let's see how it looks like, and about the sound, I mean the audio. So this is how it looks. So there will be audio. Just click this. I will play. So I will just download this video and add into my own video so that you can listen. So I will click on three dots and download.
Today, we're diving into something that could change, well, everything. It's a huge breakthrough in battery technology at the challenger, silicon, over 4,200. I mean, that's not just a little better, that's more than 10 times the energy storage potential. And that is why silicon has been the holy grail for batteries into dust, basically killing the battery after only a handful of charges. And this diagram from the paper just illustrates that self-destruction perfectly. So in step A, you see a protective layer forming on a silicon part, maybe a microscopic sponge. There are these 3D porous structures made of metal ions linked. It gives the silicon particles the space they need to expand and shrink without breaking everything. Second, scientists use the MOF as a mold, like a sacrificial template, to get them out of the lab and into the products we all use. Future work is also going to focus.
If you feel these kind of videos helpful, please make sure you subscribe and like my videos.